Hey guys, here is a Hunter Studio Series remote ceiling fan in white. This fan is from the third quarter of 1996, and I've been wanting one of these for a while. So when this one popped up on Marketplace or Dumpster Place for free, I went and grabbed it. Came with everything, including the wall mount for the remote control. It was missing some of the mounting screws, but yeah, those are easily replaceable, so I'm not too concerned about that. It's in pretty decent shape. I got it as a non-working fan. Come to find out, the dip switches were screwed up, so all I had to do was change them to the correct position, and it works just fine. Yeah, even the remote, usually these are like yellowed out. This one's fairly white. Only yellowing is up there on the top, but other than that, it's in good shape. But anyway, I'll start off on low speed. It's extremely quiet. It's a really nice fan. I'll go up to speed 2, which is medium. Has a slight wobble due to the mounting bracket situation. I'm feeling some air over here too. And we'll go to high speed. Does a very good job on high speed. Oh, I accidentally just shut it off. No, I accidentally reversed it. There we go. Sorry about that. Blades have a slight sag to them, but that's okay. There's a logo right there. I think that's kind of cool. Shut it off. Close up, sorry, the dog is barking. There we go. I believe the tag is right here. Wait, no. It's right there. But yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.